Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the videos. You have to say thank you.
Hi, my name's Angel. This is my 57 Chevy Belair. I've had it for about 15 years, and I completely redone the thing from the ground up. I bought it somehow already done, but I completely stripped it down and redid the whole thing all over again. It's a brandy wine color. It's got 5 coats of clear coat on it, and 350 engine with 30 over bored out, mild cam, completely chromed engine. Had everything polished and all the dents taken out of the chrome that was in there, polished. So I just finished it last month, so now I'm just enjoying it.
How did you, let me ask you the question, this paint.
Yeah.
Did you have it painted?
Yeah. Yeah.
There you go. And the body shop must be really, really good.
Yeah, I had a good friend of mine that painted it.
There you go.
And he had it for about 3 years to get the paint job on it the way I wanted it.
Okay, so you were talking about your friend did the paint job.
Yes.
And you were starting to describe how it was painted.
Yeah. The base primer on it is a black primer, and then we have the brandy wine House of Kolors. 3 coats of that, and we have 5 coats of clear coat on it.
There you go. There you go. That is nice. And how do you maintain it? Do you have a special product or special person that you use?
No, I do it myself. I got a car cover on it, and then I just at least every day I take the cover off and wipe it down.
Oh, do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, do you wash the car?
Yeah, I wash it with Rain-X because it doesn't spot.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Can we take a look at the engine?
Sure.
Look at this.
Now the engine's been completely, intake's been chromed, the carburetor's been completely chromed and rebuilt. And it's got the
what were you going to say?
oh, it's got air conditioning. I put air conditioning in it. It's got, it's a 350, bored out 30 over, mild cam in there, 700 R4 transmission on it, big radiator for extra cooling with two fans to keep it cool.
Right, and look at the size of that radiator, that's nice.
It's rated for 500 horse, so
okay,
it'll keep it cool.
Right, and then I noticed that you have your sections opened up under not under the fenders, just above the fenders, or in this area right here.
Yeah,
that's unique. I've never seen that.
that's all my my power going for the battery and for the alternator.
There you go. That is nice. That is nice. And then the do you have a special exhaust on this car?
Yeah, it's dual exhaust with flow masters on there, and the whole body underneath the car has been rhino lined.
Oh, really?
The frame's been powder coated.
There you go. There you go.
And everything underneath is actually stainless steel. The gas lines and the brake lines are all stainless.
Sure.
And it's all stainless steel bolts underneath.
Can we take a peek at the interior?
Sure.
And how long did it take you to get this car this way?
It took me 10 years to get it back together.
Wow. That is so nice. That is so nice.
It's got Bluetooth radio, so I can talk and drive.
Huh.
It's got tilt steering wheel, power steering, and a 700 R4 transmission with the overdrive.
Now, do you let anyone drive this car
No.
by chance?
No. They don't want to die.
There you go, there you go. There you go. So what is next for this car?
Driving and enjoying it.
There you go, number one, right?
That's it.
You finally got to that point, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's from.
And then this trunk, it looks like it's huge.
Yeah. It's the trunk is not done yet. I've got to finish the trunk yet. The most of the trunk.
What do you do to chrome?
The same cleaner I use there for the body
Really?
is for the chrome. Same thing.
Yeah, it's really, really sweet. Now I'm going to take a quick peek underneath. There we go. That is nice. That is nice. Now have you ever taken it to the drag strip?
No, I don't hot rod it. No, just everyday driver.
There you go. There you go.
Ready for me to start it?
Sure. And I'm just going to get a carrier. Look at that. That is so nice. You're driving a new car.
Yeah, it's like a new car. Thanks for watching.
We'd like to show your car next, so please leave us a comment, subscribe, and like us.